Guys, we're back in another video. This time he is gonna be my partner. He's gonna be doing his own video on Beestorm. I'm also here. This is him right here. I'm about to join him. Yeah. Oh, his game's full, so I can't join him. So I have to go in my own game. But here's the good thing. Last time I played, I got a really big update. Like, oh, I got so much better. Just take a look at my life. Look what I have. 7 legendaries. A mythic bee. And 3 gifted bees. And a demon bee. My brother's supposed to be better than me, but he doesn't even have a mythic bee. Or 7 legendaries. He only has 6. Sad. Oh yeah, my character's been updated. Look at it. It looks cool. Anyways, I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh yeah. Wait, what am I supposed to do? Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember. Alright. There you go. I get super speed and then. Come on, I didn't do it the best. I need to do it better. I need more snow. Don't run out speed. Frick. My speed right now. Let's go. I can get my 3 little jellies for today. Anyways, so, oh yeah, I also got the silver bee thing. I got haste. And wait, do I have I don't have an ant pass. Well, I will have one. Wait, I will have one. Let's go. And I have a super speed, so I can really do this with it. And the ants don't tag me because they're losers as bots. I died? That's how quick I died? And now I only have the bronze? Come on. This is not fair. That's not cool. That's so not cool. This is not fair. Anyways, wait, let's see what I have here. Oh, let me go get a beetle. Beetle? No, that's not a beetle. I need to go get a beetle. And then I can get to Panda. Quickly go get the beetle over here. Let's go. Get that beetle. Get that beetle. I just need... No, that's the wrong place. Anyway, let's get here. Because you're not a newbie. Here's a tip. When bees attack an enemy, use 1 energy. When they'll run, have energy to return to the hive and sleep. No, I don't care. Only 500? What else? Now, like easy stuff? Ladybugs? That's gonna be easy. Anyway, I just defeated a beetle. How? How did I just defeat a beetle? I guess I'll just do this. I'll do brown bears. I don't want a mythic egg. My mythic bee is kind of OP. It's the best mythic bee you can get, I think. Pretty sure it is. Yeah, and even better, I got it from a royal jelly. And look, I have royal jellies, it says transform a bee into a random rare, epic, or legendary. It doesn't even say you can get a mythic from it, and I got a mythic from it. That's even better. Makes it even better. Let me get that. No! Speed. I need me some more speed. Speed! I need more speed. 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 No, I actually need more speed. Speed, speed, speed. Yes! Got it. Speed. I need more speed. I really need more speed. Speed! Let's go. So good. I need more speed. I critically need more speed. I need more speed. Come on, my bees, didn't give me more speed. I wanted some more speed, but nah, my bees can't do it. Oh yeah, I got a bear backpack, lunch bear backpack. Epic sprout, where? Rose field. Oh, that's not rose field. Nice. Oh, that's epic sprout. This is just a moon sprout, right? No, that's just a, I don't know. Oh, just no, I have 1 million. Nice. I have 1 million cash. This is great. I have 1 million. Only 116. I can hunt some in 100 still. Silver egg, I really want that. Welcome back. Ready for a new test? Come in, I'll give you a jelly, some real jelly, and another stick. You come in there so far, and every test a bit more time. That's not the worst. Let me go to pop. Oh yeah, I need to do this one. 200. Alright, I'm just gonna be sitting here. Let me go do a honey store. I'm gonna do a honey store. I can do it one time. This is so good. I got a honey store. That's even better. I had 7 eggs. Even better. These need to go, but it's easy. I don't know why I'm singing. I better shut up. Yes. Look, that thing all turned into 0. It was all gone. Look, did you see that? What's that bear thing? Look, it turns these like into spiky things where you can get, and it's so good. They're so OP. Like, it's too OP, my mythic bee. Jeez, calm down. If you really want to see all the moves I can do, here, I'm going to show you. Wait, what? I need it. Wait, hot shot. I just did hot shot. I think I just did hot shot. Let me go check. 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 I need to 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 go check. No, it's still locked. At least I got the one up here. I need to complete that one. Or I can do that one. I need to do more quests. Yeah, that's gonna be hard. Oh, werewolf. I can get you done. Wait, I'm just gonna hide behind here so every time he attacks, it's just gonna hit that. Ah, this is gonna be easy. Especially with my mythic. It's for every time you get every time you get that werewolf, you get a ticket all the time. No, all the time, every time. Every time. Fireflies, go away. I don't want you right now. Even though I'm still getting it. You can only give me royal jelly. That's literally the only thing I want. Okay, go back. Now? Alright, let's go. Cloverfield, here I come. How much royal jellies do I have? 7, nice. I really need more royal jellies. How many? 42! Soon I might be able to get what was it called? I might be able to get a golden egg. That's gonna be great. And I can buy a lot of royal jellies. That's whatever. I can still also get more. So I'm gonna be on the grind for Beast Run. We haven't been recording in a long time. In a long time. Oh yeah, my partner he might not get uploaded because he might get distracted. I'm not sure. But he might get distracted and not do it. But he probably will. Where's Brett on Rosefield? So, that's cool. Trying to see where the sprout is. But, we're trying to do search for the white clover. Because it's kind of needed. Kind of really need that. Wait, who is Bear Batoni? Oh, it's probably Science Bear. Yeah, it's Science Bear. I'll do sunflower field later. I missed that. No, I missed the mythic bee thing. How many people are gonna plant sprouts? Jesus. Go down on sprouts. It's already like there's 4 sprouts in my game. Jesus. Another sprout. So there's gonna be a sprout every few. What's that noise? How this Like I'm so confused. How? No, not even that. Whoever does that, I like it. It's so good. Okay. Whatever. I need to complete the search for the white clover. Soon I might need to complete brown bear, solo cat. Oh, we get it, solo cat. We get it from the cactus. Yeah, that makes sense. Wait, isn't it already solo because I'm doing this by myself? I'm confused. You see that? Did you see that 527 like rainbow thing? It was just going shaking. Oh, it's done. Nice. Let me go talk to Black Bear. Yeah, I have Diamond Bee, by the way. Got it a lot. I got a lot of stuff. Okay. But yeah, I got a diamond. What is it? A gifted diamond. A gifted baby bee. Yeah. And it's a legendary gifted. Doesn't. My brother is better than me, but he doesn't even have it. Well, look. Well, and you like to buy it? No, dang. That's okay. You still deserve this real jelly. Just 4 more into a diamond egg. Let's go. 150,000. I'll take it. Where is the next one? 100,000. I'll take it. What's the thing? Just kidding. They're not easiest to access. To me, honey from the pollen is small. It takes longer to collect and come back when you collect 100,000. From the sunflower and dandelion mushroom flower. Why do you want so much stuff? Jeez Christ. Why is there so many sprouts? Why? So, hey, whatever. Can you get more tickets? I need more tickets. I really need more. How did I just do that without even... Okay, I'm not going to question it. I did a panda bear thing without even doing it. It said it on the bottom right. You can rewind. I swear I didn't do anything. Stop. Seriously, only one? Only one? Only 16 minutes. I'll do that. I think they're cloud vials. I need more. How much beads do I have? Should I go get an egg? Should I? Should I? Could I? Would I? Should I? Would I? Could I? And everybody one. It still only has one bee. It is going to sleep. That's sad. This only has one bee, and he's not even there for him because he's going to sleep. This is sad. This is just torturing sad. This is also... Why is there so many bad people in my game? And only some are left. The only good person in my game that has a mythic bee is me. Everybody sucks in my server. Why? You can be bad, but not that bad. Okay? Not to be mean. And this time I have to actually try me, because I need that silver back. Those royal jellies, that silver ant pass. I need all that back. That was kind of good to me. Kind of needed it. No, that was stupid. I didn't even run into them. I need to dodge them. What? Ah, yeah, it's always good. How much 6,000? That'd be easy. Nice. What? No! This is not. What's the problem with my internet? What was that for? What in the world was that for? Tell me I have my ant pass. Tell me I have my ant pass. If I don't, I'm gonna be Superman. This is a scam. This is a lying scam. Whoever made this game is a scammer. You're scamming a liar. You're a lying scammer. Shut the frick up. You lying scammer. Jeez, you lying. Why did you have to lie like that? You don't really have to lie like that, but you did. You didn't have to, but you did. Like normal. You did. You did anyways. And still you get pooped. Stop. But if you haven't gone that road, that's how you do it. It's behind this thing. It's behind this. You just jump up. And you go join the club. You get a lot of stuff from it. One code is roof. You should probably go use that. Okay, I'll show you how it's a code. Make sure. The roof is a code. It says it right here. Roof. Look. That's the code. Roof. You can try it in caps. I don't care. That's the code. And I know it. And I know. Where should I farm? Cactus here looks like a good idea. Yeah, wow, I can cause it. Fix that. No, nobody wants that right now. I don't need it. Okay. Extract, enzymes, oil. What? Hello? Why do I need to go right now? Wait. Grants 1 point. Whatever. Tropical dream. Yeah. Nah, moon charms I don't really need right now. Good or not, I'm good. I'm good. I don't really need glitter. Star jelly, 3 glitter, and 100 little jellies or something. For a star jelly, that's kind of bad. Not a good thing. Oh yeah, you actually can. It does say you can get a mythic. Look, I'll show you. No, why? also just get that Mrs. A. What's that noise? Oh, it spikes. Okay, I turned down the volume finally. Guys, please subscribe and leave a like. And stuff. I think I'm gonna end it here. See you guys, and goodbye.